How to change PayPal email address. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To change your PayPal email address, firstly open up your PayPal application or in a preferred browser, go ahead and search for paypal.com. Now starting off, you need to log in into your PayPal. Just go ahead and click on the login button, then enter the credential. Once you have successfully logged in into your PayPal account, to change your email address, it will take a couple of steps. In your web browser, in the left-hand corner, you will see the three horizontal line or what we call a hamburger icon. You can click on it. After that, click on the setting gear option. This will redirect you to your account section. Right over here, scroll down until you see the option of email. So over here, without changing your existing email address, you can add a new one by clicking on the add option, or you can just click on the edit option over here. Then you can remove it and enter the email address you wish to add and tap on the confirm button. You may also receive a verification email in your new email address. Once verified, you'll be able to change it as a new PayPal email address. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.